4 hour time frame, we can see we have a lot of unfilled imbalances below, but we still in a bullish environment. I like the lower time frame. I like the 30-minute time frame on this one because we got this balanced price range below. We respected it. Now we have this IFVG here, 30-minute IFVG. This order block was invalidated, and we aim for this high here. Like a solid 1 to maybe a 1 to 2. Pretty good actually. On the 2-minute time frame, we have an FVG. We do have a break of structure to the upside. We had this massive liquidity sweep where we took London lows. So I am convinced that we go higher. Let me just calculate my risk 100% on S&P 500. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not full porting. Guys, not gonna lie. But it didn't retrace to the point where I wanted it to retrace. And I'm not chasing the trade. I'm waiting for the setup to align. Technically, we have another small FVG just filled right here, but it's not in this count, not even the 50% level of this current range. So fuck this. But I'm not entering S&P right now because the stock market is not open yet. And you know, me personally, I like to look for an entry after the 9 a.m. candle has closed, or let's say when it's about to close, like everything after 9:40, 9:45, because then all this manipulative volatility is already over and we see the stars align. I'm saying this one's gonna be bullish. Yeah, so maybe when market opens, we get a nice retracement, another structure forming, and then we can look for a buy setup. Or maybe I'm completely wrong and we close below, and maybe we can look for a sell setup. Of course, I do analyze my bias for the day, but in many cases, especially for the indices, and that's the big difference that I actually like about these indices, is that you need to react quickly and need to adapt your bias sometimes. If you have a clear, nice structure and you have a disrespect, let's say, of an obvious point of interest, you might shift your bias. I'm not recommending you to do that daily, but it may happen, especially in these circumstances that we have right now with the markets. Ooh. Let's have a look at the S&P. Okay, I entered the position right here on the 2-minute time frame. I saw we had a break of structure. We also tapped into this FVG here. Let me mark it. Like, I don't really give a shit about these small candles on the 1-minute time frame, but aligning and combining these confluences with other things that you see on different time frames is really helpful. That's why I would always say do not stick to one time frame. Always switch and see if you can combine certain things. Now, is the secret to trade S&P 500 that you say you're Republican and the candle jumps higher? Did I hear what I say? I think so. I think we just discovered something new. Interesting. My stop loss break even 75.93. Okay, take some partials. Good. We good on that one. Wow. Nice. Yes, come on. That's the champions indicator, by the way, guys. I got it because I'm fancy, because I'm part of the champions traders. And you guys don't have it, but you can have it actually. Just reach out to me if you want to use this tool. And also, I don't know if you've seen the video, but I introduced our AI tool that also evaluates and tracks your trades, gives you honest feedback on what went right and what went wrong. And if you're interested in these tools and also improving your trading skills, just reach out to me. Send me a DM or comment below this video. Maybe I will check it. Now this one slowed down momentum before hitting my take profit. Oh yes, nice. I'm fancy, so I'm gonna quickly have to upload a story.